The Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC brings together cutting-edge power and flawless design to meet the demands of today's gamers and content creators. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this desktop PC at the latest price available. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X, this processor clocks at 4.5 GHz and can turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz, ensuring rapid multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, the Azure 3 is equipped to handle it all without compromise. Its graphical performance is equally impressive, thanks to the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory. With support for ultra settings in demanding titles like Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, Helldivers 2, and Black Myth: Wukong, you can expect smooth, high-fidelity 1440p gameplay above 60 frames per second. Whether you're exploring expansive open worlds or engaging in high-speed multiplayer matches, the Azure 3 delivers an immersive, tear-free experience. Speed meets capacity with a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. Load times are virtually eliminated, letting you jump straight into your game or application in seconds. The 32GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, complete with RGB lighting and heat spreaders, ensures superior memory bandwidth and stability even under heavy workloads. Supporting all this raw power is a reliable 850W gold-rated PSU and a high-performance 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooling system, which keeps thermals in check while adding vibrant aesthetics. The Skytech Azure 3 doesn't just stop at performance, it's packed with practical connectivity too. It features Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and HDMI plus DisplayPort outputs. The tempered glass Skytech case adds a premium touch, offering visibility to the beautifully lit internals. Best of all, you get a free gaming keyboard and mouse to get started right away. Backed by a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support, the Skytech Azure 3 is assembled in the USA with care and precision. From competitive esports to AAA gaming, to creative workloads like 3D rendering and video editing, the Azure 3 gives you the edge. It's the perfect combination of form, function, and future-proofing, delivering unbeatable value for serious users who demand excellence.